Uncle Ho, also known as Ho Chi Minh, whose real name is Nguyen Sinh Cung, was born in 1890 in Nghệ An. Later, he changed his name to Nguyen Tất Thành and went abroad to find a way to shape the country. He traveled to many places, learned many things to find ways to help the Vietnamese people escape the joy of French colonialism. On September 2nd, 1945, he read the Declaration of Independence, giving birth to the Democratic Republic of Vietnam. Uncle Ho devoted his whole life to the country, lived simply, loved the people, especially children. We are very grateful to Uncle. I will study hard to become a good people as Uncle Ho done. I love Ho Chi Minh. I think you love him too. And goodbye.